Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we want to find the equation to some tangent lines of this curve at certain points. The function is f of x is equal to negative 0.01x cubed plus 0.9x plus 2, and we want to find the equation of the tangent lines at x equals negative 4 and x equals 8. Now, before we solve the problem, I just want to remind you that this video is part of a full free course on calculus. It's at engineerforfree.com/calculus, and in here there's over 50 free tutorials covering all the different chapters of Calculus 1. So there's functions, limits, derivatives, applications of differentiation, optimization, and integrals. So if you're studying Calculus 1, definitely check out the full course. The link is in the description below. Okay, so the point on the function where x equals negative 4 is somewhere approximately here. And the tangent line is a line that only touches it exactly at that one point only, and it looks something like this. And in order to find the equation of the line, we're going to need to find the y component here at this point where x is equal to negative 4. We'll need the slope of the line, and we'll also need the y-intercept. And we're also going to do this as well for the point where x is equal to 8. So that's going to be like somewhere around here. And the tangent is going to end up looking something like this. And along the way, when we're solving this, we're going to find the slope at this point. We're going to find the y value at this point. And then we're also going to end off with the y-intercept when we're going for the point-slope form of a line. So to get started, the first thing that we want to do is we want to find the derivative of x. So that is f prime of x, and that's equal to negative 0.03x squared plus 9. So let's start out by finding the y-coordinate of the function when x is equal to negative 4. All we have to do is plug in negative 4 into the function, and we're going to find that is negative 0.96. And that is the y-coordinate of the function when x is equal to negative 4. So this point here where we have the tangent touching the function, the coordinate here is going to be negative 4 and negative 0.96. The other thing that we want to do is we want to find the slope at this point, and the slope is just going to be when we plug in x is equal to negative 4 into the derivative, and so we're just going to get that to be 0.42. So that is the slope of the tangent line, and we're going to be putting that into the point slope form equation as m. And y1 and x1 are going to be the coordinates at that point. So let's actually go and fill these in. Y is just going to stay as is. Y1 is going to be the coordinate that we have at this point, which is negative 0.96, is equal to m, which we found to be 0.42, times x minus x1, and that is just the coordinate at that point as well, so that's going to be negative 4. So we can just distribute the 0.42 across both and then subtract 0.96 from each side, and we're left with y is equal to 0.42x plus 0.72, which is the equation of this tangent line in the form of y equals mx plus b. And from reading this, we can also see that the slope then is definitely 0.42, and the y-intercept is going to be 0.72. Pretty cool. All right, so that one is finished. Let's go and do the other tangent line now. We're going to plug in x equals 8 into the function, and that is going to simplify to 4.08. So that is the y value of this point that we're looking at. So we can even label this on. This was x is equal to 8. And y is going to be equal to 4.08. This is the exact point where the tangent is touching the curve here. Actually, technically here I have f of x. We've already substituted in an 8, so that should be f of 8. We also want to plug 8 into f prime of x. So that's going to be negative 0.03 times 8 squared plus 0.9. And that simplifies to negative 1.02. So this is the slope of the function when x equals 8, or it's also the slope of this tangent line that we have drawn here. So let's throw up our point slope form equation here again and fill in the values that we have. So y is going to stay there. y1 is the actual y value at this point, so it's going to be minus 4.08. And this is equal to m, which is negative 1.02, times x minus x1, which is the actual coordinate there, which is going to be 8. We can distribute this negative 1.02 through those brackets. So that'll be negative 1.02x plus 8.16. And then we can add 4.08 to each side, and we're going to be left with y is equal to negative 1.02x plus 12.24. And this is the equation of our other tangent line here in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope of negative 1.02 and b is our y-intercept of 12.24, which would actually be happening just up here, just off of where I've drawn the chart. I drew this by hand, so it's not exactly to scale, but it's pretty close. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.